So now I'm gonna put my robot to vacuum the floors. By the way, I named her Cinderella because she cleans all day and does it so perfect. But anyways, I'm just so grateful I don't have to stand and vacuum, and it just does it by itself. Let me tell you guys a little bit about it. So this product was sent to me and I've been loving it so much. Like, it does an amazing job. It does come with the control and you could control it. It has different options on the control. It also has Wi-Fi and you could download a app and you could change the name and just do a lot of things with the app. So right here on this control, it does have a lot of options. So with this control, you could do auto cleaning, return to charging box, control the cleaning directions, time setup, spot cleaning, random cleaning. It has the start and stop, schedule. You could also schedule to clean, edge cleaning, max suction. Right here, I'm gonna do a spot cleaning and you're gonna see how it only spot cleans. It turns around and around. And basically, if you have crumbs or cereal, whatever it is, you put it in that spot and it will clean it. So now I put random cleaning. Basically, it will go like everywhere and it just goes back and forth to clean. And if I wanted to direct it somewhere, I would just press the side buttons. So now it's all clean. It cleaned my living room, my kitchen, my dining room, and my hallway entranceway. And look how much dirt it picked up. Like, it's just so much. My floors did not look that dirty, but I guess it was. So this is how you throw the bin when it's full. You could see that you could just open it from the filter and all the dirty stuff will fall down. And right here, I'm just using some scissors to remove all that hair that basically the vacuum picked up. Like, my dog shed hair, I shed hair, so it does really good job picking up on hair. So right here, I'm just gonna press home and it's gonna go back to home by itself. So if you guys are interested in this product, make sure to check my description box. I do have a discount code for you guys. For Black Friday, they're gonna have another promotion, so make sure to check that out. I'll be changing the links when that happens. I'll have this link right now for you guys, and when Black Friday comes, I'll change the link too for you guys. So make sure to check that out. I do love it. It works amazing.